Another one of those AI native risks is also prompt injection. I think you can share some light on your research as well. How much portion of it was traditional, vulnerabilities that we were already aware of, and how much of the AI vulnerabilities are, prompt injection?
Yeah, so prompt injection is the vulnerability of generative AI, right? So hopefully everybody's familiar with prompt injection, but prompt injection is an attack that exploits the model's inability to differentiate between like system instructions and user input. So if we try to think of an analogy, I don't really like this analogy, but if you think of SQL injection, right, the vulnerability is caused because there's no there in the concatenated query, there's no differentiation between the command plane and the data plane. So if you just concatenate a query together versus using like a parameterized query where the system knows the difference between the command, there's no way to do that in generative AI. And all of the most devastating attacks have really included prompt injection in some way. And I mean, this is a huge problem. And this is one of the reasons why it's difficult to, defend against. It's going to be a problem for quite some time. At any time, and if you think about this too, like any time an attacker can get data into your system, they could potentially compromise it.